Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start 60-second session with our first participant. How are you?
I'm fine. What's about you, sir?
Fine too, thank you. I'm going to ask 10 short questions to you. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Thank you. First question to you is one sentence about Bangladesh.
I love Bangladesh. I will love forever.
One sentence about your father.
My father is my best friend. He is my real hero.
One sentence about your mother.
My mother is my first teacher. When I make mistake, she teaches instantly.
One sentence about your best friend.
He is very hardworking and cooperative. I have learned a lot from him.
Excellent. Drama or movie?
Definitely, I like movie. When I get free time, I watch different types of movie.
Laptop or PC?
No doubt, laptop. It's easy to carry and easy to use.
Excellent. Mobile or TV?
I like mobile. It meets the demand of TV.
Fast food or homemade food?
Definitely, I prefer homemade food. It keeps my body fit.
Academic books or storybooks?
I like storybooks. It makes me happy.
Okay. Father or mother?
It's a very difficult question for me. I think both are friendly, cooperative, and sincere about me.
Thank you. Excellent for your performance. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.